Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Stop. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. It's December 1st and we are kicking off Vlogmas. I'm going to be doing a lot of holiday baking, holiday recipes, fashion, what to wear to Christmas parties, taking you guys through my daily routine. And today we're going to go cut down a Christmas tree. So I'm going to take you guys along for that. So I'm super excited about this. If you love the holiday season, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, be subscribed to this channel, and keep watching. We are at the tree farm. It stopped raining just in time. It's not that cold. Oh my god, we keep tripping over these branches on the ground. It's dangerous. Yeah, it's pretty muddy, but it stopped raining and it's about in the upper 40s, so it's not too cold.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So I don't think I mentioned this in my intro, but I'm going to be vlogging every day of the week, or mostly every day, and then putting up a week-long Vlogmas on either Saturday or Sunday. So I'm going to do about 3 or 4 weeks. It's just hard to do a daily vlog and have enough footage whenever I'm working because I can't film inside my company, of course, and of course I'm there to work and not vlog. So I will be just doing a weekly vlog so that there's more content like this, and you know, we can do get ready with me's and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna head home and get some dinner and get ready for the week. So this is my advent calendar. It's nothing too fancy, but my mom actually picked it up at Trader Joe's. And I believe there's a piece of chocolate each day, so I'm not going to do this every day, just kind of want to show you guys this in case you're interested in picking it up. Let me go get some scissors. It's really cute. It has these little llamas on it and mountains and a little moon, so really cute. And there are 24 days. Day 1 is right up here. Wow, that is a tiny piece of chocolate. probably for the best. It's pretty good. Nothing special, but here's my little advent calendar. Good morning. It is Monday, December 2nd. I am just wearing this charcoal gray sweater from Hollister. It's really old. Express necklace to be kind of festive, and my black pond pants. Our office is business casual and you can wear jeans, but not everyone does, so just kind of however you feel that day. It's 35 degrees, so pretty chilly, but it's definitely been colder. So it's 6:25 right now and I need to grab breakfast and then leave. Tuesday. This is the outfit of the day, a black swing dress from Loft, my fuzzy H&M tights, and a necklace from Bobble Bar that I put in my gift guide. I'm feeling super festive today, gonna go to happy hour with one of my friends, and I'm running late, so off to work we go. Hey guys, sorry for the terrible glare, but it's Tuesday afternoon. It's about 4:45. I'm done with work. I'm just sitting in the parking garage and waiting for my friend to get here because we're gonna go to happy hour at this place called NOLA on the Square. I definitely recommend trying it out if you come to Pittsburgh. It has really good New Orleans Cajun style food. The fries are amazing. So we're there and then hit up some of the pop-up bars. They have this one bar called the Jingle Bar, which is like decorated with all these holiday lights, and it's really, really festive. So something I'm challenging myself to do during the month of December is just to do something festive every single day, whatever it is. So today we're going to the pop-up bars. I also did a bonus entry and got my nails done during lunch. And I just got them this really pretty like dark red with a little bit of shine. I also booked an appointment at Dallas Beauty Lounge for their mystery manicure closer to Christmas. So I'm excited to try that out. So what it is you pay less money to get like the fancy nail art designs, but it's a mystery. Apparently they ask you like, you know, what don't you like, or like to give them a suggestion, but you can't say like, I want a French manicure with red stripes on, you know, my first finger. Like you can't say something like that. It's just a complete mystery, and they tend to get pretty creative with it. You guys should follow them on Instagram because they have really good nail ideas. They have like 25,000 followers, and it's a pretty small place in Pittsburgh. They have 2 locations. So anyway, enough babbling on about nothing. I just put on my red lipstick to get a little bit more festive. I did not wear this to work, but I will try to take you guys along with me tonight as much as I can, and then catch up with you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, December 4th. I'm gonna do this super quick. I'm just wearing my navy modern skinny loft pants, a powder blue sweater. It's 24 degrees outside, yay winter, and this statement necklace from Francesca's. Just got out of the shower, clearly scrunched my hair, did a workout. Last night we went to the Jingle pop-up bar and it was super fun, but I had to get my workout in today. Tomorrow we have our work holiday party at a bar called Buckhead's, and we're having like a gift exchange. So I picked up this bottle of red wine. I've had it before and it's pretty good. I heard that most people just bring bottles of wine or other forms of alcohol, so I played it safe since I'm new and I don't want to get anything that's like taboo or hated or whatever. but I'm also going to share what I picked up at Ulta for the Black Friday sale. They were having crazy deals. I got all of this for under $40. I picked up the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser, which was only $10, and you get so much product in here. Like my Neutrogena drugstore cleansers, you don't even get this much, so I'm really excited to try this out and see how it works for my oily, acne-prone skin, and I'll definitely give you guys an update on whether or not it works for me. I also picked up the IT Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream because I really need an eye cream. I have some retinols and some moisturizers, but I don't have anything specifically for the eyes. And they give you a little sample, which was super nice. This was, I believe, $19. And it doesn't have a scent or anything. It's this kind of creamy yellow color. So I'll also give you guys an update on whether I like it and if it breaks me out or anything. I think IT Cosmetics is a great brand. Finally, I got a Smashbox Super Fan mascara. It looks like really sexy and glamorous. I love the all red look. And let's look at the wand. Ooh, very thin. Yes, I love a thin wand. It seems pretty awesome. Maybe it'll be my new favorite mascara. I will test this out and give you guys my thoughts. I also had like a I used some of my points, so that's how I got all of this for less than $40. The mascara was $10. Now I'll quickly share what I picked up at Target. I had to get some essential things that I'm not going to show in this portion of today's vlog, but I got my favorite trail mix, the peanut butter chocolate. I have a special weakness for that one. I got 2 Method hand soaps. I got the peppermint vanilla for Christmas and the orange ginger, which is one of my staple favorites. Oh no, and it appears like the orange ginger has been opened already, and I did not notice that. I got a card to ship out the winner of my Sephora gift card to. I got another mascara. Not that I really needed another mascara, but I was really intrigued. I've been really loving e.l.f.'s eye products lately, so I got this lash extending mascara. And I've never tried any of e.l.f.'s mascara. Again, this is an interesting situation, but it is a wand that I like. I'm not a fan of any of the Too Faced mascaras. Like, I definitely like a nice thin wand, so this looks like something I would like. It does seem a little clumpy, but I believe it was only $4, and I think this is only $2. I've been loving the brown liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. I've been wearing it like every day for the last 2 months, and I actually wanted to get a new brown one, which is why I was looking at the makeup, but they didn't have any browns, so I picked up black. I'll see how I like that. And then this shampoo I've been using a ton, the Matrix Biolage Full Bloom. I talked about this in my favorites video. I picked up my favorite toothpaste, Crest 3D Mint, or 3D White Radiant Mint. It's a really great, affordable toothpaste that doesn't taste bad, that makes your teeth really white. And then I got this Essie nail polish on sale. It's so gorgeous. It's like this gold and rainbow glitter. It looks perfect for the holidays. And then I picked up a hand sanitizer. So those are all of my hauls for the day. I will try to vlog some more tomorrow and catch up with you guys then. Thank you guys so much for watching so far. It is Thursday, December 5th. I am wearing my black skinny jeans from 9 West, super comfy. And of course the main attraction, my ugly Christmas sweater with 2 unicorns and a candy cane heart. I picked this up at Francesca's 2 years ago, and I've honestly probably worn it 5 or 6 times now, so I definitely have gotten my use out of it. Today is our holiday party, so I'm super excited for that, and I really need to leave right now, so peace out. Good morning, you guys. It's Friday. Ignore those Target bags in the background. I'm wearing this wine-colored shirt from Express with the bell sleeves, a statement necklace from Baba Bar, and these skinny mid-rise jeans from Express. I really like the waistline. They're really flattering, but in my opinion, they're more of a straight cut than a skinny, but they are pretty comfortable. Somehow I am running the latest I have been this week, and I woke up the earliest, so peace out. Happy Friday afternoon. It's super rainy and gray out. It's only 4:28. I left work at about 3:50, and I really got out of the city fast, so I'm happy about that. Last night we did have our work Christmas party. It was pretty fun since I'm new to the company as a whole and the group. I didn't know that many people, but luckily there was another new girl that started a week before me, so we kind of hung out and met some new people, which was cool. And then we had our white elephant gift exchange, of course, and I got super excited because I picked up this really cool bottle of alcohol. It was like pink, and nobody had ever seen anything like that. And there was actually 2 bottles in the gift exchange, so someone else got one too, but I was number 3, and it's better to have a later number because then you can steal people's gift and all that. And so somebody stole my gift, so I had to pick something new, and I ended up with a bottle of Pinot Grigio, and it's still in my trunk in the back, and I have nothing else in my trunk, so it's just literally rolling around. And I heard it my whole morning commute and now my whole afternoon commute because I forgot to put it in my back seat, and it's so annoying because every little bump in the road, it just knocks back and forth, and it's honestly probably broken by now. So that's my life update. Work was pretty uneventful today. I was just working on some risk and control matrices, and it was just pretty uneventful. And if you're not an audit, that doesn't mean anything to you. So I'm gonna go home and actually close this vlog out. I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of Vlogmas.
Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.